Oh, yeah.
Take the bull by the horns. Deal with a difficult situation boldly and confidently. Sometimes you just have to take the bull by the horns. Meaning, to deal with a difficult situation directly, bravely, and with determination instead of avoiding it. Example: the company was in serious trouble, but our new manager decided to take the bull by the horns and fix the problems head on. Origin: the phrase comes from bullfighting, where the matador grabs the bull by the horns to show courage and control the situation. It has been used in English since the early 1800s. Conversation example: we have so much work to do and so little time. I know. What are we going to do? We can either panic or take the bull by the horns. You're right. Let's make a plan and get started. When to use it: when facing a tough challenge head on. When you need to take control of a problem. When delaying action will make things worse. When courage and decision are needed. Related expressions: face the music, accept the consequences. Jump in with both feet, get involved completely and enthusiastically. Get down to business, focus on the task at hand. Rise to the occasion, perform well when faced with a challenge. Show some backbone, stand up for yourself or your beliefs. Key takeaway: don't run from problems, face them. Have courage, take action, and take the bull by the horns. Brought to you by Idioms Rock.